Hello, hey, hi. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am sitting on the floor, so we will be color grading together. I think color grading shouldn't be difficult, you know? That's how I like it. There's nothing complicated that I actually do here. So that's why I thought, you know what, let me share this with you guys because a few people have actually asked, how do you do the color grading? Because you know what, I am the real boss of color grading. I'm joking. I'm also learning on YouTube. There's nothing much that I'll say I do. Sometimes when I feel like, going a bit extra, I do that. But majority of the time, I just, focus and just do one thing. Right. So I'll jump onto my laptop right now and we are going to follow together. So, first things first, right? When I film my videos, I make sure that I film sometimes. I notice that when I film in D-Log M and I'm indoors, I don't really like how the footage actually looks, right? So I just prefer filming on auto and I'll edit from there. But let me go on my laptop right now. Okay, so we are now on record. So I'm just going to import the video that I am going to edit, and it is currently on my desktop. Let us look for it. Where is it? Color graded. And it's actually not color graded. Yes. So we are going to work with this babe right here. Okay, there we go. So this is a 2-minute video. It is currently on, I filmed it on D-Log M, right? Okay, that's great. We are on record. So this is how we do it, right? So this is my current footage, right? I'm gonna copy and paste this so you can see the difference, right? So this is color grade. So this will be the second part and this is the first part. So we are going to work with this. So you actually have two options, right? Either you use a LUT. A LUT is basically edits that are already done for you. I'm just trying to make everything very simple. I'm not trying to use very complex and difficult words. So it's basically already edited. It's like a filter for vlogs or videos that are filmed on D-Log M or whatever. You just play with the filter, it does the things, right? And you also have an option to play with the colors yourself. So let us try that part out first. So this is my video. Make sure that your video is highlighted. So see, it's not highlighted right now, and you click on it and now it's highlighted. So I look at the whole video to see if everything is in D-Log M. From here, I'm just going to lower the volume just so it doesn't disturb us, right? I then highlight, click on it, go to adjust here. Here's adjust. We are using CapCut Pro. Click on adjust. When you scroll down, I don't really use these a lot. I just like working with my own stuff, right? So let's look at this part here. Let me see. Okay, let's look at this. I'm just going to zoom it in so you can see the difference. Can you see it's a bit gray, it's washed out. It's not really nice for a vlog, right? So we have temp, tint, and saturation. What I normally do, especially when I'm outside, I tend to increase the can you see the difference there? See, it makes it darker. But when you increase it, it looks a bit nice, right? Can you see the colors are popping? Everything is like scrumptious, right? So I'm going to leave it on 27. But what I do is I like to zoom in to check if my skin color tone or whatever does not look weird. I don't want to be looking orange. And then what do? I drag to see if everything is proper. Well, yeah, it looks fine. Let's see. Yeah, so I just check the entire video just to see if it looks fine. I think it looks good. So this is without and this is with. so it depends on you. I'll just put it on 30 so you can increase here. And then we play with the tint, right? With the tint you can either increase it to make it a bit purple or greenish, so it's up to you. I will just put it on, I think -5 looks kind of good. And temperature, I think a bit of yellow looks fine, maybe 10. Yes, we put it on 10, right? So exposure, you can work with that. If you want a darker video, you can decrease the exposure or increase the exposure. So let us decrease it a bit. Go back here just to check what it looks like. So the colors are actually popping. You see the colors are actually popping. The colors look good. So I just like to check if everything is proper, especially with the videos that are like close up. I want to make sure that, wow, yeah, okay. We're working here, we're working. Can you see the colors here look scrumptious? They look good. Right, so we continue. I like it zoomed in just to see what I'm working with. Contrast. Can you see? Ooh, or you can decrease it. So I think I'm going to increase it because it just gives the, can you see the difference here? From here to here. Makes the part that are supposed to be dark just to be on point, right? I'm not going to hit you guys with all the terms because I also don't know them. We go to highlights, we check. I'm not going to do anything here. I'm just going to leave it on 0 shadows, just -5. And then I go in to check. They're looking good. Okay, yes, it's looking good. I don't really like to do anything with the blacks and whites, and that's it. I hardly use sharpen because I just feel like it just makes my video look a bit weird. So this is the video before, see that, and this is the video, oh, this is the video after. Let's look at this. Can you see? Let me cut here just so you can see the difference. Can you see this part? Let's look. Can you see the difference from here to here, from here to here? It's actually very nice. Oh, that is actually very good. I think I like this part. The colors are literally popping. Okay, so that is it, you guys. That is honestly it. There's nothing much that I did. Just work with saturation, work a bit with temperature, tint a bit, exposure, contrast, highlight, you know, work with your pictures. If you really want to go deep and understand the terms, I think you'll have to go into the internet and do the things, right? So that is it for today's video. I think I'll just do a part 2 where I do the second part. I thought my video stopped recording. The second part on how I color grade. So I'm just going to upload both the videos. Here it's just using manually, right? The second part is going to be me using a LUT, with which I think it looks nicer. So let me save this, and yeah, I'll be right back. Bye.